Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I have the pleasure to speak with Alessio Paccoia, Head of Technology at Cubbit. Alessio, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Hi, my name is Alessio Paccoia. I am the Head of Technology at Cubbit. I'm in Cubbit from day one, and as for my role, I oversee the development process, keeping the main focus on our network, the Swarm. I'm also a software architect, and I manage the release process.
Can you describe Cubbit as a company?
Yeah, Cubbit wants to build a distributed zero-knowledge cloud storage platform because our vision is to build a decentralized global storage layer where privacy is by design.
Alessio, let's go more into detail about Cubbit's IT department.
We embrace the agile movement. Each of our squad is completely independent and chooses the framework that better fits its needs. And at the moment, we apply both Scrum and Extreme Programming. Our technology stack is mainly based on TypeScript. We leverage an Nest.js framework on the backend and React Redux on the front end. But we also use Rust, Python, and C++. We work on the embedded and we compile a WebAssembly to run performance software on the browser. We build our code with Bazel and deploy our microservices on Kubernetes.
So has your team had to overcome any major challenge from a technological point of view? And if so, how did you overcome it?
Yes, we face many challenges. What we are building is a bleeding edge, and many libraries we use are in the early phases of development. And this is an opportunity on one end to contribute to them, and but on the other end, shipping new releases is very demanding because we need to patch or change the tool themselves. At the moment, the main challenge we are facing is the peer-to-peer connection in an adversarial function that in a real-world scenario raises a lot of problems. And another one is to keeping our zero-knowledge paradigm solid, because we want to remain unaware of the data users share on the network. And this is tricky because for a file sharing service and other more complex features, this needs a completely redesign respect a traditional sync and share service.
So what is the founding value that characterizes Cubbit and that you basically look for in candidates?
We believe the Internet of the future must solve its current contradictions. And this day and age, privacy is at the same time both ridiculous and threatened. And most people don't give value to it, as they believe they have nothing to hide. And at the same time, corporations do everything in their power to deny it. It's not strange that something that is deemed of so little value is dangerous. Most likely, it's worth much more than we can imagine. It's often said that knowledge is power, but in today's world, where the answer of any question is at our fingertips, privacy is power. That's why privacy is our primary corporate value. We are building the Internet of the future by leveraging on peer-to-peer connections in the mission to become the world's largest cloud provider that doesn't need to own a polluting data center, a quest to make the digital privacy a human right, not a premium feature. We are looking for working innovative and daring people. We're not afraid to make the change we are striving to make. And of course, we have our requirements, but we in Cubbit are building something different. And if you feel that this could be the place for you, please write us. We are ready to test the skill and take the best and welcome you as well.
So just to help developers choose Cubbit eventually, what is it like to work at Cubbit, really?
Yes, working at Cubbit as a developer is an exciting adventure. I can say that what we're building was never done before. And because of this, there is always a challenge around the corner, which is at once tough and stimulating. The work environment is thrilling, and every day I have the opportunity to work with brilliant and collaborative people in an horizontal environment. And concerning career opportunities, there are several. Cubbit is a fast-growing startup in the ocean of decentralized technologies, so there is plenty of room for any programmer looking for a highly rewarding job.
That's great, Alessio. Well, thank you very much for your time, and thanks everyone for watching. Bye-bye now.
Thank you. Bye.